Ago, we set off to change how simulation is performed. The opportunities we saw then have only gotten bigger. The engineering profession is faced by challenges and complexity that seem to grow at an exponential rate. Today, a majority of simulation users tell us loudly that simulation is still too hard to learn and to use. Preparing ready-to-run mesh models simply takes too much time. The workflow between designers and CAE analysts is inefficient, and exchanging simulation models with suppliers is rarely successful. And finally, simulation results are hardly received in a timely manner. And trade studies in simulation is still a bit of a dream. In Clayton Christensen's book, Innovator's Dilemma, to have a dramatic change, a new technology S-curve is required. A new curve starts slowly, but accelerates fast. Writing has gone through 4 S-curves over the past 40 years. During the same period, simulation has gone through only 1. We think it's time for the next major technology S-curve in simulation. Like in Christensen's book, you have to rearrange the topology of how a system is put together. So instead of CAD, then mesh, then solve, then post-process, we change the topology. With direct modeling geometry engine for simulation embedded in a generative framework. The framework connects all of the pieces of the process together to deliver product certainty faster. Our internal technology development project, codenamed Predator, turned into a series of apex predators, the top of the food chain, focused on delivering dramatically better engineering certainty and positive emotion for their users every day. I would like to highlight 3 key tenets that our users have already found very impactful. Apex is the world's first computational parts-based CAE system. The computational part paradigm facilitates incremental solving, massive computational distribution, interactive trade studies, and finally, the ability to share IP-protected parts and subsystems through the supply chain. Having rethought the user interface environment, including CAE-specific direct modeling, Apex has been called addictive. Learning takes hours, not days or weeks, with built-in voice-led movies and contexts that provide experiential learning. To break down the barriers between physics and fidelity, Apex is designed to provide a new kind of environment which focuses on the behavior you want to achieve with parts and assemblies rather than the silos of solvers and part behaviors. We are setting off on the most exciting journey in simulation since our company pioneered the commercial use of simulation software over 40 years ago. I hope you will join us.